So what's great and very refreshing about this event is these are expert creators. They have some work experience. They want to solve a problem for their audience. They are entrepreneurs in their bones. They are not just trying to get a bunch of followers and be famous for its own sake. And I find that both refreshing and very, very needed in this space.
Amazing connections with like-minded professionals, and also, gosh, let's not forget about the fun and the food and just the thoughtfulness that goes into that went into this planning this event.
One of the primary ways that I found community in subsequent years was by coming to conferences like CEX, where I could network and collaborate with fellow content entrepreneurs. I feel seen and heard here, but I also feel fundamentally inspired by the fact that these are content entrepreneurs across all verticals. All the platforms are represented by the people who attend this conference.
It was one of the most engaged groups I've ever been around. You know, asking questions, taking notes, being involved, and really understanding, hey, you can't just treat things like everyone else and do the same things as everyone else.
What I want to do from this is to share with my community everything that I've learned from this. There's so much to take on board, which it can be overwhelming, but my plan is this: break down what I've learned this week and then share with my own community and break that down so it becomes this bundle of love that we can take on board from this event.
If you were to attend only one conference a year, one event a year, it would be this one.